And we're back at MODEDESIGN headquarters of customization. This is where raw vision meets real craftsmanship. Every detail of the 10th anniversary edition M2 will pass through here, from custom paintwork to one-of-one component finishing. Today, the focus is on precision. This is your first look at the Magnadine Gold, a signature finish developed specifically for this project. Here, nothing is off the shelf. Everything is finished with intention to MODEDESIGN styling specification, with every layer of detail, texture and tone applied with intention. Now this is your first look at the FR1 forged wheel, finished in the same Magnadine Gold. This is just a preview of what will become the foundation for the one-of-one M2 transformation. In this space, every part tells a story. Nothing leaves these walls without passing through our Mode in-house artisans. Don't miss out on what's to come. This is just the beginning. Subscribe to follow, turn on post notifications to witness the full evolution for the MODEDESIGN 10th anniversary M2 build.